Hi, Tom here, and in this Circle Line Art School video I'll show you one way to draw a cloister in one-point perspective. A cloister is a covered walkway or arcade. This drawing is based on the cloisters at Lacock Abbey that was used for the filming of some of the Harry Potter scenes. For this one-point perspective drawing, first draw a straight horizontal line across the middle of your page. This is the horizon line in one-point perspective, and all parallel lines that are going away from us will look like they meet at a vanishing point on this horizon line. For this particular drawing, we can place the vanishing point on the right, as the cloister is going to be going towards the right. Next, draw a rectangular box around your vanishing point. The rectangle needs to be wider than it is high, as it will be the proportion of the shape of the cloister. Next, draw a series of lines from our vanishing point through each of the corners of our rectangle. In this drawing, we're only using one vanishing point. That is why the drawing is called a one-point perspective drawing. Now draw a series of vertical lines on the left, getting closer together as they go towards the vanishing point. And each of the vertical lines starts and stops between the diagonal lines which go to our vanishing point. Next, draw a faint horizontal guideline from the base of these vertical lines going right, and then when they touch the right side diagonal, then we can draw new vertical lines going up, which should be the same as the vertical lines on the left. We can now raise the center of the rectangle and then add an archway with a point, a Gothic archway, as they have points at the top of them. And then using the diagonal for the baseline, we could draw another archway beyond the first one. Next, draw a straight line going up from the middle of our rectangle, and this can be the high point of the curve of the roof of the cloisters. If you extend this vertical line up, we can use it for the high point of each of the curves of the roof. Each curve goes from one vertical line to the opposite vertical line on the other side. Next, we can double up the thickness of the vertical lines, the columns on the left, and then draw some lines from the vanishing point, and using these new diagonal lines as guidelines for the details that we can now add. As we have the basic shape of a Gothic style cloister, all of the vertical lines in this drawing need to stay vertical, and all of the horizontal lines that are going away from us need to look like if they continued they go all the way to the vanishing point. For this drawing I'm using a 4B pencil. If you would like to learn more about drawing, please visit my website circlelineartschool.com. Thank you very much for watching this drawing tutorial. I hope you found it useful for your own drawings. If you would like to learn more about drawing, please visit my website circlelineartschool.com.